miss a Father's Day without your smile. Still feel your love, though it's been a while. Your old chair's empty, the house feels cold, but your memories shine brighter than gold. I see your shadow in the morning light, hear your voice in the quiet of the night. Though you're gone, your love remains, running through my heart like rain. Happy Father's Day up in the sky. I hope you hear me when I cry. Wish I could call you one more time, laugh at your jokes, hear your old advice. You were my hero, my guide, my grace. No one will ever take your place. I miss you more than words can say. Wish I could hear one more time calling my name. You taught me strength without a word, and lifted us up when life got blurred. Now I walk this road with your light in me, a silent compass through life's sea. I still wear your values like your coat. They warm my soul when the days get cold. You left too soon, but your love stays with us, and in our heart you're very close and dear. If love could build a stairway, I'd walk right up and bring you home. But for now I'll send my prayers and hold you close in my every song. Happy Father's Day up in the sky. With every tear I still testify. You made me who I am today, and I'll never let your love fade away. Though my heart aches, I still say I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day, missing you, Daddy.